What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry, it's been a while since we had a new vlog. So right now we made it back. So and for this video I'm here in Burgos. So we're gonna, oh my god, chicken manok. So it's morning here, so good morning. Anyway, so before that I would like to do thing here, and I would like to shout out to my new merchants right here. So it's a Lakbaylaag merchants, guys. So explore, travel, explore, adventure, and capture. So yeah, I would like to thank you for the sponsor. I would like to shout out to Jillian Prints and Prints. Basta yun. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Yes, so thank you so much for that. And of course guys, I would like also to shout out Isla. And so with that guys, without further ado, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna explore this another spot. I mean, I don't know if it's another spot here in Siargao, specifically in Burgos. So without further ado, let's go.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies.
Come. Si mama ito'y litoy. Right guys, we have this kind of theme park here. I don't know if this is theme park, but behind me is the rails and I don't know how it goes. So we're gonna try it. I hope you can hear me clearly because it's kind of interesting, you know. It's for builders, like bodybuilders and so on. So let's go. Let's do it.
Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight.
So we're gonna try some tricks, or I don't know if I can make it, but let's have fun in this spot, this sports activity. So that's good for exercise, well, for sweating and lessening some pots. I didn't have any pots, but makes it possible. So let's go.
Paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
So I think that's all. So we're gonna move to another spot or another thing here. So let's do more explore here in Burgos and what we can do. Also let's interact with the locals and see what we have to offer if you come by here and this town. So let's go. house or a local store, which you can find behind me. There's a painting. It's a painting about a fish, or I don't know. It's a kinda, they're transforming their house into an artwork. So, but sad to say, we don't have permission to go and try and explore the spot. But just for this entrance, like their wall. So as you can see in this clip, there's paintings about the oceans and the creatures in it. So let's go. Another thing, we have this kind of house. It's, I don't know, I don't understand the message yet, but this painting arts, wall arts of this houses. So if you have dropped by here in town of Burgos, you may experience or wondering what there was a like a paintings. They're making paintings of their walls. So parang ganun. Oo, parang ginagawa nilang art yung kanilang mga bahay, yung mga walls ng kanilang bahay. So sana ay may kausap tayo about it, and leave a comment down below kung sino mang best person to contact it or to talk about it. Kasi I'm interested to share with you guys, or to share to the world about what is the legend behind these things. So I'm also myself curious about it. But the most of the thing, let's enjoy it more. So let's go. Well, finally we got here a new spot. We just opened this. We just opened. They had already opened the spot. This is one of the local restaurant here in Burgos. So let's see what we can do in here. So let's check it out. As you can see, the spot, the restaurant is located in the second story of the public market, which is called the Isda market. So yeah, so let's see what is on the top of this restaurant and how unique it is. So let's go. So andito na po tayo talaga sa Isda Market. Nasa taas na tayo. As yung signage kanina na pinakita ko sa inyo is nasa King Diliran. Yan na po yun. That's it. The Isda. The word Isda. At ayun nga. Makikita mo dito yung hindi siya kabuuan ng town, pero this is what you can see. That's it. And of course, aside from makikita mo yung buong town, so makikita mo din yung kagandahan ng dagat na papakita ko sa iyo. Ayun na, ayun o. There you go. That's it. tapos na namin kumain at ngayon may mga activity pala na gagawin. So, di ko pa alam yung anong gagawin pero we will see it kung anong mangyayari. Anyway, so papakilala ko yung mamaya sa magiging kasama natin for this kind of activity. So, yun nga. Let's go. Let's do this. Kasi mag-learn tayo ng bagong kabanata ng ating buhay. Char, kabanata ng ating buhay. Well, let's do this and let's get it on. Meron tayong thread, this kind of a hook for this activity, and also we also have this kind of paper. I don't know, this is not a paper but it's cloth for the dotted, it's a dotted thing. So you're gonna learn this. So it's good. That's them actually. Sila yung makakasama natin for this activity. So harap na. I'm having a hard time to make this thing. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to do actually, guys. Let's do this. Because we need to do this. Finally, we have this. So guys, finally we made it this thing so far, and what we're gonna do next is we're gonna draw some lines, or I don't know what we can do in here. Maybe just do something with it. We had pen. Let's do this. So guys, we already finished our markings on this circle thing because we get assigned letter P. Yeah, so because we're going to create a one word, which is you're gonna understand. You're gonna see it later after we finish the thing, if we can finish it. But then, so I finished marking. So my assigned letter was letter P. So that's my font style. So yeah, let's do this and let's start making it now. So guys, I'm just starting to nod this thing. So, and meet Isa. Hey guys, it takes a lot of time. It's almost finished, but I'm still a midway, so kaya natin to. Asa. Vamos. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching until here. I hope you enjoyed this another video, and it takes a lot of time to do the thing. What I learned is, yeah, you need to be patiently doing things and to make your imaginations into reality. Of course, your effort as well. So it takes me a lot of time to finish this. It's actually not finished yet, but I'm going to show you guys the finished product for now after this thing. Actually, it's right here now. watching before this vlog will end. So will end. So yan. So thank you so much for watching until here. I hope you enjoyed this entire video, and I would like to shout out to all of you guys. And if you wanted to be shout out on our next video upload, so please leave a comment down below. And yun nga, gusto ko na ring i-shout out kayong lahat dyan sa mga nanonood ng video na to, lalo na sa mga nag-comment before. Sino ni si Finding Finding Nemo. Hindi siya Finding Nemo. Finding Chemney. Ayan, si Dianes, si D Vlogs, si April's Whatnot, Chinita, si Baby Chinita, and Team Bibis. Ayan, so si David Abriol, si si Ana Haban, ang buong Team Siargao. Ayan, so Siargao Vloggers, shoutout sa inyong lahat, especially kay Giovanni, kay John Michael Berte, and Kimbral Gonzaga, James TV. Ayan, so medyo gabi na kasi, so ayan, so yung boses ko medyo inaantok na. Ayan, so yun nga, sa lahat ng mga nag-comments, pasensya na hindi ko ma-shoutout yung iba, pero ayun, anyway, so yun, sa Isla Haruhay, sa Isda Market, located in Burgos, yung local restaurants there. Please support the locals as well. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy, and please, if you like this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment down below, and share this video to anyone, to your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. So I think that's all for today, and see you on my next adventure.